What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use your UnitedHealthCare Ucard to purchase items on Walmart as a payment method, to use it as a payment method. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to walmart.com and make sure you are signed in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily and quickly. So what you want to do is to click here at the top right where it says account here and your name on the top, and then go here to account. Next, you here can see all your account details and settings, and you want to click here where it says settings. And now under wallet, you get the main payment methods that you can use. Of course, you can use a credit debit card, gift card, electronic benefit transfer, and this is what we want, the benefit card. So you want to click here on benefit card. Next, click on benefit card once again. And here you need to enter your card number and then save. And make sure you enter it correctly, save it, and this card will appear as a payment method when you make a purchase on Walmart.